What I've pulled here is a sample data sheet for a integrated circuit that represents a OR gate. This is from the TI.com website, and the chip that we're going to use here for demonstration purposes is the 74LS32. You can see this data sheet covers a lot of different chips. The 54 series is typically military. The 74 series is for commercial use. This is the first page of the data sheet, and most of the data sheets are constructed in the same manner. What we have here is a diagram of the pinout. There's different packages that this chip can come in. We're going to use a dual inline package. There's the actual chip. I've got it oriented such that you can see it here. And the notch here, okay, you can kind of see right here on the top of the chip. It's a little difficult there, but maybe stand it up there. Okay. And what we have is pins 1 through 7 and then 8 through 14 up the other side. So what we're going to do here, you can see how the chip is organized a little bit down further in the data sheet. That this is a quadruple 2-input positive OR gate. Okay, that's the title on the top of the data sheet here. Quadruple 2-input positive OR gate. And what that means is simply that we've got 4 actual logic gates on that one chip. Each gate requires 3 pins, 2 inputs, 1 output. Thus 4 times the 3 are the 12 pins. And then of course we have to have power, VCC, and ground, making the other 2 pins total of 14 pins on the chip. So what we can do, we're going to use pins 1 and 2 for inputs, and pin 3 is the output. You can see that on this logic gate right down here. And what we'll do is we'll set this chip on the breadboard in a moment. I just wanted to go through the data sheet kind of quick with you. It's always a good idea when you're going to use a different chip to look at the data sheet and get the appropriate information for hooking the chip up and realizing what the inputs and what the outputs are for each gate.